the Palagi newspaper? Tell me why you love Steve Offey so much. That's so what's nice about Steve.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Vancouver, eh? Yeah. We're gonna stop get some poutine. So we're going to our gate here in Canada. This is one of the nicest and cleanest airports I've ever been into. It's so, I don't know, just very peaceful. You know, Silhouette loves potato chips and she loves ketchup. In Canada, they have a Lay's ketchup flavor, but she doesn't want to try it. I'm like, don't you dip regular potato chips in ketchup? She goes, yeah. I goes, then why not try it mixture? I don't know, something about it just doesn't sound right. Made in Canada. The lady at the front desk said, don't worry, it's definitely a Canada thing. Oh, we have reached Australia. Look, we're in Queensland, the Sunshine State. Hey, isn't that California called the same thing? So here we are, we're in Brisbane. This is just the airport though. Alright, let's get to the hotel. So we are driving on the left side of the road, which over here is the right or correct side of the road. That's all I know. I know we're going towards the city somewhere, so wish us luck. I'm gonna turn off the camera so I can focus on not getting lost. So here's our room, king size bed. She can sleep on the floor, I guess. There's downtown Brisbane. Woohoo! Look at that. There's a rooftop lounge up here too. We're right near the water. We're not gonna stay in the room long. We just want to unpack our stuff. And I don't know, go do stuff. Because today's our first day here. We have practice and stuff tomorrow. Ooh. There's Silhouette's room service. She got some fancy schmancy burger. Right next to her dirty sock. Wow. And I got a garden salad and some avocado turkey breast. There we go.
Turkey breast.
Here's Silhouette. We're walking from the hotel. We're up there on the, we're in the penthouse, my friends. Just kidding, we're on the 9th floor. And we're gonna walk because driving around when her phone died, I don't know if I recorded or mentioned it yet, but we got lost and we were on motorways and this way, and we asked at least 10 people at stoplights, do you know where the point at Brisbane? They're like, huh, never heard of it. And then one lady finally looked it up. We pulled over the side of the road and she was walking and scared to come. boats are all free. We just hopped on for free, and he said we're coming back in about an hour and a half if we stop at all the ports. Or you can hop on another one going back the same way and get on for free as well. Have a beautiful day. This is a brand new building apparently, or a gentleman that just moved out of Brisbane 2 years ago said it wasn't here before. So the captain wanted to stop and look at the engine. Hopefully it's not because we've been sinking out in the bay. we actually switch boats. This one is 50 cents per person, and you have to use a different credit card. Thank goodness I had a backup, or they'd have kicked Silhouette off, I guess. Whoa, and this one actually goes over the wakes, which is a pretty cool feeling. And the other one just was having a mechanical issue. They said it might be a good 30 minutes, so we wanted to get off. And this one's just a lot bigger, and as you can see, I can stand on the front of the bow. And the captain's up there. Woo! She's waving.
Let's go tour.
Am I in your way?
Come on, Toa, you got it.
Yeah. Super close.
Let's go tour.
Yeah, when stuff burns so fast, it's hard to evaporate fast.
Hey, you got talk?
It's like the gasoline in Samoa.
Yes, let's go tour.
Focus,
Yeah, we're here. People are signing in. We're meeting like the director of it and some other familiar faces. This is the Kingston Butter Factory. There's the factory. And way over there, there's a huge outdoor stadium. That massive structure is where they're going to perform tomorrow and the next day, hopefully. Cute little place. We stopped here at Devon Pixie's for her to get a chocolate milkshake.
Okay, on three. 1, 2.
Over here.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
There's a little bit inside the butter factory. We're going in the Butter Box Theater.
Ia ona leo whata lele tātou pula luu ora tātou I tō mālo. Ia e tau luu mai loa. Ia ona amata leo tātou. Ona lau a whatonu lava sumatasi ia e kakosa mua I lava rungsai. Se I tau luu mai ia ona amata leo tātou pukala me ne tūla la huli. Whaftai lau.
Please be upstanding.
The mayor has arrived.
Now we have some prints that we
have John Raven is the mayor of Logan City. We are so blessed that you make yourself available to be here. Put your hands together.
Now that Law has covered the formalities in Samoan, I will take over in English, quick and easy. My name is Su'asalo Te Sa'ako. I will be one of your hosts or MCs for today. And welcome to all the competitors. Very, very honored and very, very grateful to have you guys here, to our honorable judges, our honorable guests, the mayor, our beautiful mayor. Thank you for making time out of your busy schedule. Yeah, and all our high chiefs and paramount chiefs that are here with us today. Yeah,
Pakaian pilau film tef, pilau film tawana. Hai, nak boleh. Kalau apa penau na, tak kau ngai pakai untuk falol. Yeah.
You would include me in this ceremony. You offer me these beads. I will place them next to the chains of my office, so that the authority that is given to me by the people of Logan will sit with the honour that the Samoan people have shown me today, along with this stick of many, and one is 1,000. It will sit in my office at point of pride, so when people come in, they'll ask, what is that? I'll say, that is the presence of the Samoan people in my decision making. A lot of my staff, they haven't been with me for very long, and they ask me, why would the Samoan people honour you like this? Why would they invite you to a ceremony like this? And I said, well, when I was a young boy, 12 years old, I learned respect from Frank Frost. I went to him for martial arts, but he made me part of his family. And then that taught me so much about how to be a man and to be a leader. And then as I grew up, I started my business. I employed Samoan people because I knew so many of them. And I knew that they would be good, hard workers, who would show respect to my business and love for my family so that my business could grow. And now as a leader, I lead a part, when I became a councillor, I led part of the city that had more Samoans than any other part of Logan. And now as the mayor of Logan, I lead a city that is more diverse than any other city in the world and has more Samoans in this city than anywhere outside of Samoa. It's my great honour and my great privilege to serve as a leader of your community, and I'm so grateful and humbled that you would include me in this ceremony. I would like to spill some as well for the traditional owners. Because their land and custodianship brought us here today to be able to enjoy this moment. Whawhaitai.
Ông sẽ phụ lầu ra một con.
Look at this pretty bird here right by the train coming. It's loud. It's called the Queensland Rail. Queensland Rail. Queensland. This is behind the butter factory. I just came back here to vape. I don't want to vape in front and be disrespectful. There's the stage, by the way, if I hadn't filmed it yet. It's huge. Pretty cool. And look at all the grass open area they have for visitors come watch tomorrow. I don't know why you're there. Why is she there?
Hold on. Thank you.
Stand up, Junior.
All right, let's all come onto this side, come down in one line, pick up your hard copy of terms and conditions in your class, and then we'll round back up that way.
All right, boys.
Oh, CheeHoo, but my voice is gone.
Women, can we all stand up? Open women, we all stand up. All right, same deal. We come onto this side, come down, and then we collect our passes and our...
Yeah, let's go, ladies. Woo-hoo!
Malo. And then for our final division, open men, yeah. One line, collect your hard copy, term condition.
Put your thing on that.
I don't care.
Count them down.
Go, Jake.
5, 7. What do you got? One for parent, one for whatever?
Yeah.
Put them both on you for now. They're warming up for tonight. Now this is an all-Australian drumming corps. They're doing pretty good. They're also showing it on live TV here. It's streamed live on Pacifica TV and radio station. And also the social media platform is streaming it live too. The contest should start in the next hour, so we'll see you then.
Yuga Bear Nation, I want to honor them the way we do in Samoa, and that is, well, Samoa iola le alofa mai whāwaro. Wamalia maka, walongo makingo makang lelei. Wa e so le fau. Esa. Wa fakasi ka kou. Malekangaka le famua pulo. O ka kou kangaka forau. Ele ngaro. O ka kou. O le moku papa, mara moku au, mara moku salaya, mara moku sa. O folau, o le maoka, o kangaka apuliki kulo, ele ngaro. Wa Samoa.
They're getting ready to bring out the contestants.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to introduce our Fire Life Warriors from across the world, division by division. Calling on our junior girls, please come through. Junior girls.
Here come the junior girls, 17 and under.
Junior girls.
Where are they?
We're competing tonight. But you know what the most interesting thing is they're playing? It's not just competitors here from Australia. We've got competitors from New Zealand. We've got competitors from America. We've also got competitors from New Caledonia. So everyone put your hands together for everyone that has traveled near and far for tonight.
Hooray! We traveled 9,538 miles. And my arms are still tired from flying. Where are those wonderful kids at? I think someone doesn't want, they don't want to be first. They have 6 girls for the junior division. Oh, here come the senior girls. That counts our 14-year-old silhouette too. CheeHoo! Here come the junior boys. Junior boys, I can't tell how many. Let's go! She didn't hear me. I tried to say let's go still. She didn't really look.
Alright, in front of you, we've got all our competitors traveled near and far to vie for the first titles of Australia's first fireliner competition. So Leafi Patsilebasa International. I don't know who's.
She saw me finally.
It was great to see them tonight.
What's funny is she's shorter than all the junior girls too. If she was in that group, she'd still be the shortest. That kid needs some growing pills.
Please make your exit from the wallet.
Alright, I hope we get started right afterwards. I know the mayor was supposed to come and speak. He didn't come, so if he comes, they're probably going to have him do his dedication, but if not, they'll probably get started. We are ready.
Growing up in the village, this is part of our life. Daily life in Samoa. As I travel the world to share the talents and everything that I learned from Samoa, it's a pleasure. But I do know that in the beginning there was light. God created the universe and created a man to make use of the trees to start the fire. The method of starting fire, ladies and gentlemen, known as CheeHoo, ignite the fire from nature. The method is rubbing 2 sticks together. That's what we do. As we do the cooking in the village, we start the fire by rubbing sticks. So I know that some of you to flick your pick to get the fire. We're up sticks. If you have any questions, please keep them to yourselves.
He's got the smoke.
Did you get the smoke?
That was fast. You did a good job. Like the ceremonial flame.
So let's see what's happening.
So when the fire started, transfer the burning particles to the dry husk of the coconut. And just be careful. Holy smoke. Everybody say fire!
Fire!
Come on, fam. Everybody say fire!
There it goes. Oh, this is the organizer. Right now they're passing out the meals to the VIP, so it's 50 of them supposed to be here. Some people are just getting here though. I see the car in the parking lot, so hopefully we're going to start soon. For the other kids, I don't have enough battery life to do their full performance, but I will cut the intro for all the kids, but I'll have to cut their video short just to save batteries for our own kids. Junior girls first. New Zealand coming first. Here we go. Oh, they're lighting up right there. Good luck to all the competitors. You guys can do it. Have fun. God bless. And everyone be safe. We'll wait till she lights up her bottle of the stick. There she goes. Woo-hoo. Here's the second contestant for the junior female, 17 and under. 13 years old. Both little girls did really good so far. Getting ready for the third junior girl. They're just waiting on the judges. Well, they gave him a thumbs up. Another 13-year-old from New Zealand.
All the way from New Zealand.
Was really good. All three were good, but she was a little bit faster, I think, and a little more complicated routine. But it's really hard for the judges to pick who's going to be the top three tonight. Because tonight they're picking the top three, and then tomorrow the top three will come back to see who's third, second, and fourth. Unless they're going to do it like New Zealand and just say who's first. I don't know. Get ready for the fourth contestant of the junior girls, 17 and under. Another New Zealand. They didn't say her age though. Get ready for our fifth competitor. The top three will go on till tomorrow. That probably won't be announced until after every group goes. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how Australia plans to do it. Here comes number 5. Also from New Zealand. New Zealand, I think, street hockey is a lot more popular than Australia. Maybe that'll change after tonight. For the 6th competitor, the last of the female juniors. New Zealand. This young lady is only 12 years old. now they're starting the junior boys division. I don't remember how many boys there were, but at least 6 though, 2. This is also 17 and under. So the youngest so far has been 12. I don't know the oldest yet because some kids didn't have their names read or their ages read out loud for the girls, so I'm not sure. But this is the boys starting. If it's one of our students, some of West's friends, Toa or Siaki, I'll film the whole thing, and I believe this is Toa going first. Okay, good job. Good luck, Toa. Here goes this double. believe this young man's from New Zealand. I couldn't quite hear. We're again like the girl to recover the first few seconds of their routine until they light the bottom, and then I have to conserve batteries for the other kids. Good job. Okay, the third young man is going up now. Again, for the junior boys. New Zealand representing. Sorry about the trees right there.
Junior boys division will be led and Meredith Rovia from New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Meredith Rovia from Auckland, New Zealand. Welcome to the stage.
We're ready for the next one. I can't see where they over there. It might be Siaki though.
We've got Siaki Fellow to see from all the way from the United States of America, representing Tuvalu.
Yeah, it's Siaki. Let's go, Siaki. You've got this, man. here's Siaki with his doubles. So far, I think him and Toa have a great chance to be in the finals tomorrow. A really great chance. I think they said this is the last young man. New Zealand. I'm not sure if it's the last one though, but I know he's from New Zealand. There's a huge crowd here from New Zealand, which is awesome for them. Another boys junior. There's a lot of them.
The vibrant world of anime to bring the vibrant world of anime to life. Judges will be ready for our next one.
They're showing the belts for the men and the women's division. It's like a heavyweight champion belt of the world or something. It's pretty cool.
These belts were sponsored by Fiona.
So I thought Silhouette was going first, but her name on the program now is last, so I don't know what's going on. So we'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now deliver the belts from the judges. So please thank our junior division. Thank you so much, kids.
So I don't know if she's going first. She was at first on the list yesterday, but they misspelled her name in the front. So they respelled it, and I just looked at a lady's phone who wanted to know who I was waiting to watch. And I told her the name. She goes, "Where is it?" And she couldn't find it, and it wasn't there, but it was at the bottom of the list now. So I'm confused. I don't know if she's going first or last. But either way, she just wants to have fun, no matter which time she goes. Yes, she's going first.
Alright, our judges are ready for our open divisions, starting with our open women division. We have got Silhouette de Mana Sanega, 14 years of age, requested to move on to our open women, all the way from America, representing Tupuoleaki.
this young lady from New Zealand, she's 18 years old.
Give it a sound, 39 years old from New Zealand.